In this tutorial we will see how to create entries of refill sales with delivery man. Option data entry, option refill sales. New button. Date bill number comes automatically. Now with delivery man I will show you with the example of cash refill sales. It will also be the same with the online refill sales. However, as cash refill sales number of entries are more, I will show you with cash refill sales. Add items here 14.2 kg. You select delivery man. Let's say 30 quantities are been selected by delivery man number 1. Now here I am using DM1, but actually you have to put the name of the actual person, that is the actual name of the delivery man. Now this system is followed in cities where delivery man is being paid salary per delivery, or if he is been given commission or incentive per delivery, or for any other reason, like if you need an MIS per delivery man. In that case you can split the entries. That earlier we have put aggregate entry with total quantity sold on a given date. Instead that you will be splitting it into per delivery man. So I enter the second line. I say delivery man number 2, 45 cylinders, enter. I go to the third line. In case if I jump, then I go back to the plus sign and add this entry, delivery man number 3. I say 40 cylinders, 14.2 kg, delivery man number 4. I say 50 cylinders, delivery man number 5. Say 50 cylinders. It is, and you say save. The record is saved. You need not to print the document because this is an aggregate entry per delivery man wise. Okay, the actual cash memos have been already given to the customer, and you don't need to print the cash memo. I say no. Now for online sales also you have to make the entries per delivery man so that the correct number of deliveries made by the delivery man, irrespective whether it is cash, commercial, domestic, online, whatever it is. Although you are putting it on different pages, the delivery man, it has to be put, the delivery man has to be selected to identify the number of delivery man made on that particular day, the week or the month, whatever. So now if there is a report in option LPG reports, delivery man report. If you take say today's date and say show report, then all the sales made just now, the entries which we have made will appear over here. So similarly, if you want to select for per delivery man, you will get it over here. Now there is another report, that is delivery man summary. Now this summary is generally for the monthly salary. That is per delivery man wise, 14 kg how many from in this range of date, you will come to know how many 14 kgs he is delivered, how many 5 kg, how many 19 kg, and you have to export this Excel file, and then you can put per delivery of the cylinder as against per delivery rate of the cylinder against the delivery man. So the total, this multiplied by the rate, total amount will appear over here, and in case if you have already paid him some advance, that will appear over here, and minus that, this will be the payable amount. But this will not be generated in GAS software, but GAS software helps you to generate an Excel sheet, export an Excel sheet where you have to do this working. Now I hope you understood refill sales entries to be made by the delivery man covered in this tutorial. Thanks for giving your time.